want to start with a small one.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Try not to put a hole through your leg. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. You already got holes in them.
I got one hole in it. Need two. This fan is awesome for working outside.
You want me to do it?
No, I also don't want to crack it. What's wrong?
You're going to kill yourself.
No, I'm not. I need to put holes in my
Watch what you're doing. Don't look at me.
I don't have to watch.
Oh my God, you did it 3 times in a row.
You do that. That's what happens. Because you just go, you can't stop it.
Oh my God.
Those holes are for the water to drain out.
All right, so are you taking out those things? I guess you just set them in there, right?
A heron.
Yeah, so you just cut those off. Why don't you just put the whole bucket in there?
Because
It's got holes in the
not
bottom.
good. You don't want to do that. You also want to take off some of this, and I might have to. No,
That's perfect.
Okay.
Excellent. I don't even know if you need any extra dirt.
Honey, do you see this? I'm actually probably going to need the other bag.
So here she's going around and filling the sides of the white holders, or those white little bowls with dirt.
And I need water. You can bring the hose over to me if you want to do something with your life.
Ha ha. All right, so we're ready for one. That's it. That's how it's a make a hanging thing, and there's their hanger things there. But I don't know
These
where.
were $3.99 at Home Depot, like last year, and I bought them.
Huh. Well, let me ask you a question. Where do you want to put these?
They're going to go right here, 1, 2, 3, where I did before.
1, 2, 3. So wherever I put them, you're going to be fine with that.
Oh, I'll tell you where to put them.
Yeah, I know where you want me to put them. Let's start with the first one. I think I'm going to put it right here.
That's fine.
Is that good? You sure?
Yep.
Right here?
Yep.
All right. Let's hang that
And
bad
it's
boy.
straight, right?
I don't know. We'll see.
It looks straight.
Grab that.
Turn those flowers so they're out, the one hanging a little. Yep, that's good. I'd like, is it?
I don't know. It's going to spin around a little bit. Let's see where it stops. Oh, that's nice.
That's good. They're kind of low, aren't they? Are they too low? Do I need the higher hangers?
No, I like them where they're at. I think they
Huh?
look good.
Really?
Yeah.
And then put another one in the middle and another one right at the edge, but still in the sun.
Okay.
It's going to rain now.
All right. I mean, we could have just hung them in the things like this.
Yeah, with the black ugly things. Why do you think I got the white, honey?
Oh, okay. Well,
There is always a method and a reason. You know what I'm saying?
you're the boss. All I am is a worker bee. I'm just a worker bee.
Maybe I'll just make it.
I think that's perfect. There we go.
Do you have the other one done?
Yeah, one's ready to go. Everything's ready to go. You just gotta untwist that, untangle, unsnarl that. Good?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Voila. Dose flowers. One more. Just putting rocks in so it drains, I guess. I would imagine.
What'd you say?
Said the rocks are for drainage. The scissors are for cuttage. You got some dirt in there you could use too.
You always break open the bottom of your new plants to free the root.
Look how dark and nice that soil is.
I know.
So So I think we totally got enough swell.
Yeah, I do for this. I thought I would not.
What are these kind of plants called?
These are called vinca or periwinkle.
Periwinkles?
I think they're the same thing.
Just getting all that nice rich soil in there. Yeah, I'm done. All right, last one, last but not least. All right, here we go. One more. And then we've hung our plants, and there they are. Look, periwinkles. Try periwinkles. That's how you do it. That's how you hang them. Just like that. Look how pretty they are. Look at this one here. She's doing something to it. I'm readjusting. And here we go here. I think it looks good. What do you think? Nice?